this amazing view. We're across Lisbon in Almada area, and this is like the craziest elevator ever. Look at this, it's so scary. So we have to take an elevator. Oh my god. Okay, I hope I don't get stuck. Because we need to go down. Amazing. نبشتو لشبونة تماك هنايا قاطعين فيها القرى باش نحطو خاصة ندخلو في elevator. الحمد لله حاطين شي واحد هنايا باش تنحصل الاليفيتر تكونوا عارفين. مانيفيك. regardez نصير طيب شوية. مانيفيك مانيفيك. So here is that famous restaurant, the Fonto Final, but it's closed until mid-January. But there is another little restaurant on the side. Look at this fish. Look at that. Do you see that? It's crazy. It's like baby fish. Oh no, it's big fish, just their mouth. Whoa. Oh, and here's another restaurant. Amazing. Look at this. This is tuna and vegetables. What did you get?
Pork loin.
Pork loin
Sweet potato.
with sweet potatoes.
Swordfish with mashed sweet potato.
Wow.
And mine
Mine is
invisible.
Oh, check this out. Yum. My new friend, isn't that amazing? And I'm taking a taxi boat to go to the other side. Bye! My new friend, isn't that amazing? And I'm taking a taxi boat to go to the other side. Look, all the fish here. It's crazy. I can just pick one and cook it for lunch. Let's see if there's a spot in this one. هذا سلوك كافي very famous بلم اللي عنده لي باستيس ديال بلم جادور. هاد مانيفيك هاد تايلز ديالو عندهم دي كونفيسري ديال البرتغال القدام ولي باستيس نجون كوموندي. ها هما خرجوا. Because the main ingredients is egg yolk, so that's one of the main ingredients for sweets. دونك يشتري الحلوى ديالهم كلها تقريبا صغيرة. راه وريتها لكم قبيله حيت يستعملوا بزاف الصفر ديال البيض في الحلويات ديالهم. شتي تيعمروا به كل شيء.